And we are biologists researching the 4 lineages of land plants: the seedless vascular plants, the gymnosperms, the bryophytes, and the angiosperms.
Before we get into that, however, we would like to tell you about the evolution of plants. All plants perform photosynthesis, which allows them to make their own food, with the help of the organelles called chloroplasts. The 4 lineages have branched off from their common ancestor, the charophyte, which is green algae, and have since then developed adaptations specific to their lineage and/or another lineage.
Land plants evolved from water plants and have had several challenges they needed to overcome. Some of these challenges include accessing water and nutrients, supporting themselves in a less buoyant atmosphere, and reproducing and dispersing offsprings without water.
Unfortunately, many plants are being threatened. More than 50,000 square miles of forest are cleared every year and lost, and replanted areas have greatly reduced biological diversity.
Now prepare yourselves to watch Sir David Attenborough as he finds these lineages in their native habitats and explains their adaptations in detail. Thank you.
I'm David Attenborough. Here are Pterophytes, one of the other lineages in the plant family. Here we have ferns, fascinating creatures. They have spores on the bottom of their leaves that can be used for dispersal of their seeds. Across the landscape, through wind, fire, rain, water. They also have vascular systems that can transport nutrients and water across their fine branches, lending structure, stability, and support.
Hello, I'm David Attenborough, and here we come to the next major lineage in plants, the gymnosperm. Now, the gymnosperm pollinates mainly by wind. As you can see, it's quite tall. And second, the gymnosperm seeds are called naked seeds, like this one right here. Here, 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 here. The seeds are inside of the cone, so they are protected from the wind. And I was just crawling through a bed of clones of this same tree. Fascinating. Here's the next lineage of plants. It's called bryophytes. Now this particular class is moss. It's very common. Now, see, moss is special because it grows quite low to the ground to get the moisture and the nutrients in the ground. And also, if you have a microscope, you can look, and in the moss there are cuticles. Cuticles it's a waxy coating that goes on the leaves of the moss. It prevents water loss, but it is also a problem because it prevents gas exchange. Now, the moss has developed a special pores called stomata to allow gas exchange to occur within the plant. So it has adapted to land by growing low, and when you are around moss, you too must be low. You must talk quietly as not to scare it. I'm kidding about that last part, but still, this is incredibly fascinating.
Hello, I'm David Attenborough. This is the final and last lineage class. As you can see, these are angiosperms, beautiful petals and flowers that attract pollinators. They can distribute the seeds across the encompassing area. These same angiosperm can create fruit, that can draw predators in to eat the fruit and distribute the seeds along the countryside that way. It's a very unique, and through survival of the fittest, they use their beauty to accentuate the possibility of survival.
That concludes our program. Thank you for watching.
See you next time.
Hi, I'm David Attenborough.
Hello, I'm David Attenborough. Who are you?
I'm David Attenborough.
I'm David Attenborough.
Oh, I'm David Attenborough.
Well, this is my show.
That's my camera.
And I'm David Attenborough.
Oh, I'm David
I
Attenborough.
know all about plants. Plants are my thing.
I know about birds and trees and bugs that you do. I'm David Attenborough.
We can both be David Attenborough.
Don't be David Attenborough.
Another
Hey.
biology adventure brought to you by David Attenborough
And David Attenborough.